All right, let's talk about management's huge role in an aviation quality management system, or QMS for short.
This says it all, right? In aviation, the margin for error is basically zero. Quality is everything.
So that brings up a really important question for anyone in this field. Who is actually responsible for quality?
And the answer is simple. It is not the quality department. It's top management, period.
So what does their involvement actually look like? Well, it boils down to 4 core responsibilities.
First up is the quality policy. Think of this as the airline's mission statement for all things quality.
For you in cabin services, this is a top-down mandate that's going to directly shape your work environment.
And you can see how that policy becomes action. It sets real, measurable goals for the entire crew.
Next is customer focus. This is all about meeting what passengers and regulators expect. No compromises.
So those complaint logs, they're not just filed away. Leadership actually uses that data to make improvements. Third is administration. A strong QMS means there's absolutely zero confusion about who does what.
In a high-stress situation, this kind of clarity is vital. You know exactly who makes the final call.
The fourth key piece, appointing a management representative, who is often the quality assurance manager.
This person is the critical link who keeps the system running and makes sure leadership stays in the loop. Okay, so why does all of this matter to you? Because it creates the very culture you'll be working in. It shows that your daily tasks are directly connected to a bigger system that's driven from the very top.
Quality starts with leadership, but it's upheld by you. So the real question is, how will you champion it?